This is Arduino website. It allows us to build electronic projects and test it out here. I will be using Arduino IDE to develop my electronic projects. You can download, you go to Arduino website and download the Arduino IDE. I will be using Mega2560 Arduino board. This is one of the examples in the Arduino website how to code the laser. This is the laser and it will show you the pin, the purpose of the pin, which is S stands for signal. Middle one will be 5 volt, is usually in red color. Ground is a negative, either in brown or black. Today we will be doing a test on this. This is my Arduino code to test the laser. In Arduino, you have two default functions called the setup and the loop. The setup is where you do all your setting and initializations required. Here I have written an integer, I call it integer PWM, which corresponds to the particular pin on the Arduino Megaboard. That pin will be pin number 8. This is the Arduino board. If you look at the number here, this is 8. This is the pin 8. I'm going to plug this in. This is a signal pin. I'm going to plug the signal pin into the pin 8. What I have here is, inside the loop is called a digital write. This write high means to turn it on, and to turn on pin number 8 for a delay of half a second. 500 milliseconds is half a second. Then we go to this function, digital write, and set it to low. Low meaning to turn it off. And this one is to turn on the laser light LED. This is to turn it off for a delay of another 500 milliseconds. Then it looks back. It repeats the process over and over and over again. Once you have this written, you click on the arrow key or you click on the upload. This will upload all the code that is already compiled as a set of instructions into your Arduino Megaboard. Let's upload this code and see what happens. Done uploading, and look at it. The LED is now flashing 500 milliseconds. Every half a second it turns on, every half a second it turns off. So this is how it works. Once you have compiled the code will transfer over to the board here, and you can unplug this. You have an additional power supply here. Use it, unplug this from the computer, and the entire code will be inside this board. And it will continue to blink until you change the code again. If I don't want it to blink, comment this part out. This is the code for commenting, and we're gonna compile again. I'm compiling the code that's already updated to just high. If you look at it here, it's no longer blinking. Yep, this is high. So the test for this LaserDiode works. Yep, thank you for watching. Bye bye.
要关注我的视频，点击 subscribe。